What's up, guys? Quick video out here. It's a little bit later. I just wanted to say we're out here fixing some boost leaks. Much needed. Been driving around with boost leaks for who knows how long, but we will be fixing them in this video. So we are unfortunately taking off the twin intercooler setup. We are keeping the front mount from it. We are just not running the stock one anymore. So I'll get to how we're gonna do that. So it did fit. So basically what we did is we cut the T's to the stock intercooler off. We were gonna run the stock intercooler. We did run the stock intercooler, it was nice. But with the boost leaks every morning, I was sick and tired of it. So what we decided to do was make an adapter like this. Sorry for the shitty welding, I had no gas. So don't hate. I mean, this is probably not gonna hold the best because I didn't have gas, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. And now we got this little piece like this. So what we're gonna do is just take this out, put this one in, and set it like that, send it. So I'll get back to you when we do that. And then on the other side, it's the same thing, but we have just one that's a little longer and connects from that to this like that. So I'll show you how it all looks in the end, and then we'll start her up, and she should actually pull a lot harder without the boost leaks. Okay, so we just placed this one in. We got the clamps that we're gonna put on. This clamp, well, will go right here. That one will go right there. It'll have a nice little gold pipe showing. So when you look at it from the bottom, you see a nice gold pipe in it. You'll be able to tell that something's up. Okay, so this is how it's gonna be. It's gonna be going from the charge pipe over, couplered around, and then, well, it actually would go the opposite way. It'd go from this side, from this charge pipe out, whoop, around, and on. So now that we have this semi put on here, we'll just tighten everything up till it's completely tight, and then I should take her around the block and see how she feels. Okay, she sounds a lot better, feels a lot better revving it, and more induction noise, so I think it's all going through the engine. But we're gonna take her on a test drive after we put the front bumper on and see how it's feeling. We'll just mock it up real quick so the front bumper's not fully on. But it's the only thing that holds this from going into my fender wells when I'm keeping boost. So yeah, my fender well will get into my tire and mess everything up. So I need to put my front bumper on just for that reason. But it seems to be good, you know. She seems to have boost running through, no leaks, so we'll test in a minute.